Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today we are making my DIY Crystal Tufted Headboard for super cheap. Okay, I have always wanted one of those like fancy crystal tufted headboards for my bedroom, but I was looking online and they literally run like for a few $100 a piece, and that's just not happening. So today I'm showing you guys some really cool hacks for how you can recreate the look at home for seriously around like $25. And how legit did it turn out? I'm like so obsessed. I love my room now, and literally no one would ever know that the base of this is made out of like 99-cent store poster board and packing tape. And this is perfect because it's not permanent and it's so cheap, so you can switch up your look like anytime. Or if you have a dorm room you want to make look total glam, you can like make these into any size bed. Or if you want to do it at home like I did and make your space look totally fancy and beautiful, but by doing it on a budget. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So I did just a neutral colored fabric with some crystal buttons because I think it just looks really elegant and pretty, but you can really pick out any color fabric you want. You don't have to do crystal buttons if you're not like totally extra like me. You can do buttons to match the fabric of your headboard. My husband actually hasn't come home yet. He's out golfing right now, so I'm kind of excited / nervous to see what he's gonna think about the crystal buttons because it's like a little on the girly side, but I think like the whole room look together just looks so good. And then these are my DIY mirrored nightstands. I did a whole makeover video coming soon to the channel, so stay tuned so you guys can create the whole entire fancy extra totally fabulous look for your room too. As always, I'll leave all the links and the details for you guys down below in the description, but I want to know, do you like the fancy crystal tufted scalloped headboard look, or do you like a more classic traditional headboard? Let me know in the comments below. So I actually used foam poster board from the 99-cent store that I just like taped together for the base of this thing. But if you have like leftover cardboard boxes, you could use those too and just cut it to size and tape them together. It just makes it super cheap and lightweight, so it's really easy to work with, and you can cut it into any shape or design you want. Here's some examples I found online. I went with Belgrade because I liked the scallop look and it wasn't like too difficult looking. So I just took a plate to cut little scallops out of each corner of the foam poster board. Then I went to the fabric store to get batting, and this is like what you use to stuff quilts with. I got the large size because I really wanted to be thick and give it that nice plush look. I got it at the fabric store for about $12, but you can also get it online. And I ended up just layering about 3 layers out of the one bag of the batting, and then you're just gonna tape it down with basically just packing tape right to the back of the poster board. And just go all around the corners, and make sure not to do it too tight because you wanna keep it nice and plush. Then comes the fabric. So at the fabric store, I just looked for a pretty cheap one. I found one for about $6.99 a yard, and for my queen size bed, I only needed 2 yards of fabric, and they just cut it for you right there at the store. So first I just laid it down and ironed out any of the wrinkles so it would look nice and perfect, and then just go ahead and put your headboard down, face down right on top of the fabric, and I cut around the scallop so it would fit and just taped everything down all around the edges with some more packing tape. And I actually got a 60% off coupon for Joann's for this fabric, so I got it super cheap, but you can usually go online to get at least like a 40% off coupon. Then I just used a measuring tape and a pen to mark exactly where I wanted the buttons to be on the front, and I just did this to the back of the poster board. I did about 7 inches in between each button vertically and about 8 inches in between horizontally to create the diamond pattern. Then I just took a needle and some heavy-duty upholstery thread to sew the tufts up through the poster, the batting, and the fabric, and back down. And you're just gonna pull it tight and create a knot, and that's gonna create the tufts in the fabric to give you that gorgeous tufted headboard look. And look how cool that looks. Now for the buttons, you can do any kind of buttons you want. I, of course, did these gorgeous crystal buttons. I got a pack on Amazon for just a little over $7 a pack. So just hot glue them or sew them into each of the tufts of your headboard until you have your gorgeous finished faux crystal tufted headboard. Then I just took the extra poster board scraps from the corners and hot glued them to the back, and took some Velcro command strips and put those right on, and this is how we're gonna attach it to the wall. And that's pretty much it. You guys, how gorgeous did this turn out? I'm so excited. So to put it on the wall, I just moved my mattress away from the wall and put a little pillow down so we could rest the headboard on, and it's so lightweight, you guys. You just put it right in place, and then when you kind of adjust it, just peel off the backing of the command strip and stick it right to the wall. Then just go ahead and push your bed back into place, and you can arrange your pillows and make your bed to make it look all pretty, and there you have it. Here's a little side shot of what it looks like and how far it comes down. I wanted mine a little taller, so I kept it towards the top of the bed, but you can put it as low or as high as you want. So here it is. How amazing did it turn out, you guys? Like, seriously, so legit, and it goes so well with my DIY mirrored nightstand with the crystal knobs and the crystal buttons, and it all matches, and I just like love my room so much. I think it just totally transforms my entire room and looks so professional. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to go follow me on social media, tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this project. And if you guys loved this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it. And go check out my DIY mirrored nightstand video, because if you like this video, you are going to love that one too, so stay tuned. So there you have my DIY Crystal Tufted Headboard hack. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Okay, you guys, seriously, how legit did this like $25 Crystal Tufted Headboard turn out? I am so obsessed. It literally looks so fancy and expensive. I love it. I could lay in bed all day.